Advanced LINQ combines multiple operations to handle complex data tasks like building dashboards, generating reports, or creating sophisticated data analysis pipelines. Complex queries chain many operations together. GroupBy is going to order by the customer ID, is going to sum their totals, sort by the total descending, and select the top 5 with all in one expression. You can handle the nested data structures with SelectMany like this, which is going to flatten the customer order relationships into a single list. This is essential for working with hierarchical data in a flat query result. Break complex queries into smaller methods for readability and maintainability. Use query comprehension syntax for clarity when queries get long, or stick with method syntax for flexibility with more operations. LINQ makes working with data powerful and even enjoyable once you learn its patterns.